Our drone video data link module supports 800 MHz, 1.4 GHz, 2.4 GHz. How to switch them? Now I will show you the operation in this video. Now enter module configuration page. Let us check first. This is a hexadecimal number. Then it corresponds to third. Means current frequency is 2.4 G. If the customer wants to change to 1.4 G, then enter 04. Right. This feedback is OK. OK means the change is successful. We can check again to see, did it take effect? This is his feedback. Modify the parameters of this command. 04 means the frequency is 1.4 G. 08 means the frequency is 2.4 G. 01 means frequency 800 MHz. What does the specific parameter mean? Please check CR documentation. Please check again after you have sent it. Then let us restore the default frequency to 1.4 G.